Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from Canva. All you need to do is just search Canva. Sorry, Canva. You can log in your account if you do have. If you don't, you just need to create one. In my case, I do have my account. So all we need to do is just go to whiteboard. So you have this board that you can choose whatever photos you want. So we're just gonna go to upload, and you can choose upload image, videos, audios, whatever you want to edit. In my case, I'll just gonna edit photo like image because I want to remove the background. So I need to click upload files and then choose the files. Oh, sorry. Choose whatever photo you want to do. In my case, I'll just gonna do this one. When it's done, you can click it. You can make it bigger or smaller, it depends on you. And then after that, just click edit image and you will see background remover. Just click that one. Just wait a bit. It's a bit messy, that's why. Just kidding. So just keep waiting until it's completely erased background, and then when it's erased, just click apply. When you want like that erase, just click apply. So all the backgrounds are removed and done. You completely erase the background, the messy background. And also, just to let you know, you can choose here if you want like that one, or you can choose whatever you want. In my case, I'll just gonna leave it like normal. Yeah, and then you can choose whatever editing you want, and I'll show you on my next video. So I hope this video helped you, and see you on my next video. Bye!